Welcome. Today we want to look at bearings. Okay, what are bearings? Bearings give direction in terms of an angle. Okay, the first point to note is that bearings are measured from the true north in the clockwise direction. Very important. The second point is that bearings should be written in three figures. For example, if it's 0, it will be 0, 0, 0 degrees. Okay. If it is 60 degrees, it will be 0, 6, 0 degrees. If it's 5 degrees, then that will be 0, 0, 5 degrees. If it's 130, it will just be 130 degrees. Why? Because for 130, this one has got a three figure, which is 1, 2, 3. So nothing will change, okay? Thank you. So the next thing now, we can go to our first example, okay? This is our first example here. So the example is saying, given that the bearing of B from A is 60 degrees or 060 degrees, okay? Calculate the bearing of A from B. Calculate the bearing of A from B. Now, the most important thing when you are dealing with bearings is you must understand the language being used, okay? They are saying, calculate the bearing of A from B. Where should you be first, okay? It's more like you are saying, I want to get a transfer from Lusaka to Kabwe, okay? From Lusaka to Kabwe. Meaning, where are you first? It means you are in Lusaka, you want to go to Kabwe, okay? So from Lusaka to Kabwe. So the from Lusaka, okay? That will show you that you are first in Lusaka, you want to go to Kabwe. So for this case also, this is the same. They are saying find the bearing of A from B. So where should you be first? You must be at B because it's saying from B. So that is the very important concept to understand. So it's saying find the bearing of A from B. So if they're saying from B, the first thing you do, go to B. Why? Because it's saying from B. So you go to B, then at B, you draw the true north. Okay? You come on B here, you draw the true north like that. Okay? So you draw the true north on B. Like that. So this is the true north, okay? Then to find bearing now, so we are saying the first thing, go to B. Why B? Because it's saying from B. Go to B, draw the true north. Then from the true north that you have drawn, can you move in the clockwise direction until you find the line joining the 2 points until there, okay? You move in the clockwise direction until you meet the line joining the 2 points given. Since this one is saying the bearing of A from B. Find the bearing of A from B. So you move in the clockwise direction until you meet the line joining these two, which is A from B, joining these two. So it's this line, okay? So this is the angle that they want. This angle will give us the bearing of A from B. Now, how do we find this angle? How do we know the value of this angle? Okay, now, in the first video, okay, we discussed about the concepts, about 7 of them, okay? One of the concepts we said, when you have parallel lines, 2 of them, okay? If you have 2 lines that are parallel, for example, here if you see, this is north and this is north, okay? Meaning these 2 are parallel, they will never meet, okay? So now, since these 2 are they are parallel, okay? Meaning they will never meet, okay? Thank you. Then there's a line. Have you seen this line? There's a line joining the 2. We said this line is known as the what? The transversal. Okay. Then we said you can use the Z letter. If you remember, you can use the Z letter. This is Z. Have you seen? You can use the Z letter to find this angle. Since you know this is 60. Meaning this one also will be what? 60. That's what we said. These two angles will be the same. Okay? So we know that this angle is 60. Okay? Alternate angles. Okay? Z like that. So this is 60 degrees. Okay? But now here to there, this is 60, but they want us to find the whole of this angle. Okay? So since we know that from here to there it is 60 degrees, meaning the part that is remaining now for us is to find this angle from here to there. Okay? Then again, if you remember the first concept we said, if you find a straight line, the angle found on the straight line, that angle is equal to 180 degrees. So since this is a straight line, meaning the angle on a straight line here from here to there, this is 180 degrees. Okay? Then we know that from here to here it is 60, meaning the angle from here until there until here will be just the summation of this angle and this angle. Okay? So we'll just say solution. I can just do it from here. Solution will be given by, so I'm saying the bearing of A from B. Okay? So I'm saying A from B will be given by the summation of this one is 60 degrees, okay, plus this one is 180 degrees. This will give us in total, if we add, so by looking, okay, this will give us 240. Okay, so this is 240 degrees. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you for watching. From here we go to past papers. Thank you.